Greetings, peeps. I'm here in Rimrock, Arizona. The cows are a-mooing. People are heading off to the hills and checking out the place. This is a very peaceful spot. Been out here for a couple days, and I was sitting inside thinking, you know what? It's solar season, and that means a lot of people are going to be installing solar. Well, I just realized it's been 2 whole years this month since I installed the solar panels on the roof of my camper van. And I use nothing but VHB tape. A lot of people say that VHB tape won't last. Your solar panels are going to fly off into the wind and kill people when you're on the interstate. I'm here to show you 2 years, 21,000 miles later, 8 seasons, through rain, snow, cold, heat, a near miss with a tornado, and 80-85 miles per hour on the interstate. Let's check the solar panels on the roof of the van and see how they're faring.
HOBOTECH.
So for that, I'm going to need to get my telescoping ladder out of my cargo basket. So let's go ahead and do that. Now everything's filthy since I just spent time in Sedona. So I usually use my gloves when it comes to dirty work. Hello. All right, let's go up the ladder. Now, we just had a rainstorm last night, and it was good enough to clean off my chairs, a table, and pretty much anything else. But as you can see, I still have a lot of dirt on my solar panels. Dirt spots like that and dirt collecting in the corners like this will actually decrease your solar input. And I noticed today, for some reason, I wasn't getting that much solar, even though it's a pretty nice day. This is the reason why I have dirt on both panels. All these dirt spots combined could probably cover at least 1 or 2 of these squares. And all you have to do is cover 1 cell and your panel will stop working. So before I bring out the Windex and the cloth, let's see how the VHB tape itself is holding up. Now I am using VHB for my camera as well. I replaced that last year because that little plastic part down here broke. Just from age and being in the weather and being blown around in the wind and all the off-roading I do. That's still holding up. That's VHB to the roof. This is VHB to the roof. Look, I'm putting my hand under here and lifting up. It doesn't move. Here's the other side. Putting my hand under, lifting up. It doesn't move. How about this corner? Again, it's not moving. The only tiny bit of movement you're seeing is the aluminum brackets themselves. They're not very thick, but they're plenty strong enough to hold these on the roof. How about this corner? Again, it's rock solid. Now, for those of you who did not watch my original installation videos 2 years ago, what I did was I used VHB tape on the aluminum bracket that holds the solar panel to the roof. Then I used a Turnabond tape over top of that, basically as a weatherproof. Now, a Turnabond itself is not going to hold the panels to the roof. I'm going to repeat that again. A Turnabond itself will not hold the panels to the roof. It's a flexible tape, so any like real stress, it's going to come loose. But it makes a great weather seal. And what it does is it keeps the rain off the VHB tape, and it also keeps the sun off the VHB tape. So it should last as long as the van. Now, it's only 2 years in. We'll see. We'll come back in a year, and we'll see how it is in 3 years. And you're saying, well, what about the other side, Tom? You can check the other side too? Sure, but just remember, we're looking into the sun, so it might be washed out a little bit. Okay, here we are on the other side of the solar panels. I'm putting my hand under, lifting up. Nothing. How about this corner? Again, nothing. This corner? Nothing. This corner? Nothing. Now I can't see it from where I'm at, but you guys can see it on the camera. I have that cables running down the center. And this brings me to another HOBOTECH tip. And that is, once a month, get up on your roof, check your panels, whether they're screwed in to the roof or they're VHB taped to the roof. Get up there, make sure they're clean, make sure they're tight. It's just general maintenance you got to do, especially when you're living on the road and you're traveling full time. These panels are subject to a lot of things. Sometimes you'll come up here, they'll be covered in bird poop. Sometimes they'll be covered in leaves. Hopefully they're not cracked or anything from tree branches, because that's another thing. Sometimes you'll actually get leaves that get stuck to the glass, and you have to go out and peel them off. Like I said, only takes one cell covered up with dirt, bird poop, leaves, whatever, to kill that panel. It'll basically go from 6 amps to 1 amp, and that's pretty much not putting out any power. So here comes my next favorite part, cleaning them. Now I know I'm going to get questions about the ladder because these are super cool. I do have this one that I bought up on my Amazon page, hobotech.tv/Amazon, just like everything else I have on my van. You're probably going to ask me about this. This is a camera that I've been testing out for probably about 6 months now. It works great. It's a Fellini, again, on my website. I'm going to do a full review on this separately. And most of you know, I also have ground panels. So I have 200 on the roof, 300 on the ground. You're probably wondering how I have this hooked up. I'm going to cover that in a completely different video. I'm going to show you exactly how I have my entire solar system hooked up. Those are cows. So if you thought this video was helpful and you liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps. If you have any questions about my solar or what I did today or covered in this video, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
Odin commands you to like and subscribe, and clean my litter box.
Hey Odin, did you know that the solar panels were dirty? Do you care? Do you care if the solar panels are... What was that? Did you say yes? No, you never care. You give no F's ever about solar. What do you think about Pickle Rick? And Pickle Rick! Pickle Rick! Now do you give any F's about solar? Hey, thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe, share, and like. And we'll see you guys next time. Say hi, Odin.
Harvey Golf Guy Joe Lazaro hat.